Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a Python program that will help you tidy up your MP3 files by organizing them into folders based on artist name and album titles. This is the folder. You have a lot of files just unorganized, and you have the album name, artist, contributing artist, different metadata in the file. So I want to make a Python program that will do a kind of file folder organizer. Let's dive into it. To download PyCharm, go to www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, and you see the Windows selected that you're using Windows or Mac OS Linux. The PyCharm Professional is not free. You can have a 30-day trial, but community edition is what I use. So you can just click here and have it download and then install. So you launch your Python IDE, whether it's PyCharm, whether it's Spider, whichever one you're using. So for this exercise, you're going to need a library called mutagen. Mutagen is a Python module to handle audio metadata. It supports formats such as ESF, FLAC, MP4, MP3, OGG+, and many other formats. It's most likely not already on your package, so you're going to have to install it externally using PIP or other methods. If you're using PyCharm, I'm going to show you how you can install any module on PyCharm. To install any package on PyCharm, all you need is to go to this section. This is Python packages. You'll be able to see if you have the package already installed. If it needs to be updated, or it's not there at all. So here you can type the name of the package. For example, let me say I want to check for pandas. That's pandas. Yes, you see here. Then tell you about it. If you want to install, you click on install package, and then it's going to install for you mutagen. And then this is it. Because I've already installed it, that is why it's like this. If you have not, you have the option to click on install, and it will be installed for you. All right, let's go back to our music file organizer program. Let's start with import. Import OS, you're gonna need it. Import shorttail. Import mutagen.id3 from import id3. So now you specify the folder containing your mp3 files. This here is mine. Don't forget to put a backslash if you're using a double backslash if you're using backslash. I got this from this. Just copy here and make sure the backslash is double. Okay. Now you create a function to extract the file info. Try tags is id3 file path, artist tags.get cpe.test album, and then you return the artist album. This is how you get the info from using the mutagen library. So exception in case there's an error. I say print error extracting info, return none. So now in our main function, this is what we're gonna do. We look through the files in the directory. For file name in os.list directory source folder. OS is what helps us to work with directories. If file name dot lower ends with mp3, so we say file path is os.path.join source folder file name, then artist album. We extract the hint. We call the function that returns artist and album names. Okay. Now, if artist and album, that is, you have artist and album. So next thing You say artist folder is os.path.join source folder with artist. So it creates this path and then put the artist. So we say if not os.path.exist. If the folder doesn't exist, create it with os.make directory. Album folder, do the same. If it doesn't exist, create the album folder. Now you say new file path is os.path.join shuttle.move. Shuttle is helps you to move the file paths to the new file path. Then you print move file. Else, this is when there's no album name or artist name. This is what you do. And then if not os.path.exist, if it doesn't exist, you create it unknown artist. And the same thing for unknown album folder. If it doesn't exist, you create it. Now new file path, the same thing you do, you move the files to the directory you just created and then complete. Now let's see how this works. So you click on run. Yeah, you see moved everything, and let's see where our sort folder is. Yeah, this is what everything has turned into. We now have it by album artist name. If you click on the artist, you have different albums and all the files are moved accordingly. So in conclusion, you have it, a Python program that smartly organizes your MP3 files into folders based on artist name and album titles. Even with files with missing metadata, find your way into designated folders. So be sure to adopt this code to your own collection and give it a spin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more coding goodness. Remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.